safe now. Hey guys, it's Alexis or Billy, and today I just came out here because a dog kept barking and there's baby birds on the floor. So I picked it up. Hold up, patara. Do something. Yeah, so I'm just let him be here. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. So yeah, I found a baby bird. I'm so happy. I gotta find out where it fell from. Nana! Nana! Do you know where it fell from?
Yeah, I think up here. There's the nest right there. There's the nest right there.
I just saw. Oh look, there's a bird right there. I think there's two birds, but I can't see. Right somewhere.
When you get your come in.
There's the two birds.
For a little bit.
I will. So this is how they make a nest. Ew, they got poop in it. Oh, poor little guy. Gotta push this little one around. You hungry, little bunny? Okay, I'll feed you right now. Oh, but poor little birdie's gonna die. Oh well. Wait. No, it won't. I know how to feed it. Don't worry. Yep. So everybody, let's go push this little one around. Whoa, bumpy ride. Stuck. Turn. Oh, about to crash. Ipsy dipsy, Nia. Oopsie dipsy. Whoa, you did a whole 360, Nia. Oh, whole 360. Ready to go? Ready to go? Yes? Ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, so first I tell you one thing, the bird, so the nest was over there as y'all saw, and then this dog right here dragged it right here, and then my grandma called me, so I picked it up. I put it on this and I put a t-shirt that I just put on there. I just hope the little guy survives. So it's only when the mom comes. Quack quack. What the heck sound is that? Let's go. Let's go and get off. Come on. Come on. Really? Really? Let's close your other door correctly. Move your foot. Thank you. Really? Your foot. Stay. Stop. Bit little one. Where are you going, huh? Where are you going? Don't give me that look. Let's go. Let's go. Hold up. Gotta tie my shoe real quick. Wait. Okay, wait. You gonna wait? Yes? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Let's back up out of here. Close your doors. Close your door. Close your door. Nia, close your door. Close the door. Close the door. Close it. Nia, close the deck. Either one. Stop. We're gonna go already. She doesn't care. Whoa, it's a bumpy ride. Whoa. Good. Oh, hey, Charles almost crashed. Nope, it's all good. Let's go! Oh my god! My feet were dragging. Nia, how was the ride? Like it? Beep beep. Stop. Back to staying up. Ready, baby? Let's go! Oh, we almost crashed again. Okay, so I'll leave her there for a bit. So yeah, after this, I'm gonna try to find out what the little guy eats. And yes, I know worms, but I want to see what else he could eat. What he drinks, I want to know if they drink too. Is he alright? Please don't be dead, little guy. Oh, hope he survived the fall. Oh, little guy's okay then. So guys, that's all I have for today. Probably the next video will be about something else, and so yeah. So like, comment, subscribe, and this has been Alexis or Billy with a bird from a tree. But I can't believe how the nest fell. How the nest fell to the ground. Cause look, the nest is right there. So the nest has to be somewhere around that area. So guys, bye. I hope y'all like this video. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all tomorrow.